Hey, I'm Big Crew, wanna be here. So before we get into the video, y'all already know what to do. Turn on the post notifications, follow my vlog channel, link in the description box below, and follow me on Instagram at Mona X Banks. Okay, period. So we're gonna jump right in. So today we are doing a TikTok hack, and the hack is apparently if you put some Eco Styler gel in a separate bowl, add water, you can make more gel, which means it could possibly save you money. But you already know your girl got to go ahead and test it out for the MB crew. So I'm going to see if it actually gives the same hold, you know what I'm saying, as the original. Because with the water, it's going to be a little watered down, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to go ahead and get into it. I tried to really set this up so you guys could see me at a lower angle, but child, it was not working out. So, child, anyway, so we're going to go ahead and get into the hack. So basically what I'm about to do is, I'm going to do a little style on my hair, but we're going to go ahead and mix up our product. Y'all not going to see my face for a minute, but y'all can see my hands and everything, so yeah. Child, ignore this box over here. That is my hot tools and stuff anyways. So we have our olive oil Eco Styler gel. We have a little container. This is what we're going to put our gel in. And I'm going to mix it with a plastic spoon. And we got some water. So I'm just going to put, so apparently I don't even know the measurements, you guys. I just was scrolling on TikTok and I've been seeing people do this. And I don't know, I guess you're supposed to help you save money. You can get more gel, more bang for your buck. You know, Eco Styler gel is fairly, you know, cheap, on the cheaper side of gels. So I'm going to just go ahead and see. Y'all know Eco Styler gel is an OG. It's definitely one of my favorites. So this is how much gel I put in my little container. Can y'all see that? Okay, so I'm going to mix the water in. I don't even know how much you're supposed to do, you guys. Look, listen. I know I don't be measuring. So I'm just going to pour the water in. I'm going to pour about that much and see what we get, okay? So we're going to start mixing it. Can y'all see this? Let me pull y'all down a little bit more. Okay, so we're just going to mix it and see what we get. So it's giving me jello right about now. It's giving me jello. I don't even know how long you gotta mix this. I just was like, let me try this little TikTok trend. Y'all know TikTok is always giving a little trend or whatever. Okay. Oh yeah, it's turning into gel, but I'm gonna add just a little bit more water. Maybe I'm just gonna add a little bit more water. Okay. Okay, so look at this container, y'all. What? Look at that. Y'all remember how I started? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more water because it's a little bit too thick. A little bit too thick. See, now I'm over here doing too much. I'm having too fun with this. Too much fun with this. Oh, it did make some more gel, y'all. Wow. Y'all see that? Okay. Okay. I don't know who started this. I have no clue. Y'all, if y'all know, put it in the comments. I be on social media, but I don't be on social media at the same time, so I don't really be knowing what really be going on, child. Okay, so I got me a whole little new tub. Okay, you guys, so right off the bat, as you can see, the original is really, really green. You know, it's like a lime greeny. Well, I kind of like a light green color. And as you guys can see, the one that we added the water to make more is really on the lighter side. I mean, it's pretty much clear compared to the original. So this is the original, and this is the one we mixed with the water to expand it and make more gel. Y'all can see the color difference here. So we got our gel. Let's see if it's different in smell. No, it still smells like Eco Styler gel. So we're going to put it to the test. Okay, so I have two clean edge brushes here. So I'm going to put the original Eco Styler gel on this side of my head, which is my left side, but it is you guys' right side. And then I'm going to put the watered down version that we just made on the right side of my head, which is you guys' left side, I believe. Nothing too crazy, nothing too major, just so we can go ahead and test out this gel. So I'm probably just going to do my little quick style like I always like to do, you guys. So the watered down version is going to go on this side. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to show you guys. This is it on the back of my hand. Focus, focus. It's on the back of my hand. And I would have to say it does feel a lot like the regular Eco Styler gel, but it does feel a little bit more slippery. Maybe it's just my measurements as to why it feels a little bit more slippery, but it is what it is. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on my hair. I'll put it on my hair. It feels like a little bit slippery on the hair to me. I feel like it needs to be smoothing just a little bit. There we go. Okay, so this is the side with the water down. So I'm going to go in with the edge brush for this side. And I'm going to lay down my edges. Now, I know a lot of people don't lay down their edges with gel, but I do. I use gel and I use edge control, but obviously we're just doing a gel because we're trying to test this out. We're trying to test this out. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and wipe my hands off, and we're going to jump to the other side. And y'all know on this side, we're going to use the original, not watered down, Eco Styler gel. So I'm just going to add that to my hair. Okay, different brush. Smooth brush that into my strands. And yeah, you can definitely, I can definitely tell a difference because Eco Styler gel is definitely a thicker consistency. Definitely has a thicker consistency. My hair is turning white because I already have some product on my hair, like some leave-in conditioner. But that's okay. No, I don't have much, you guys. Usually when I apply gel, I always have a product in my hair. So I feel like this will be pretty accurate. Okay. So, this is the regular Eco Styler gel. As y'all know, so we're going to take our clean edge brush from this side and we're going to lay down our edges. I already know what the verdict gonna be of this child. Yes, I do have identical brushes, just for clarity. Okay? Nobody thinks I'm mixing product or nothing like that. So I'm gonna go back in with the brush for this side and kind of touch up these edges a little bit because I did have to shut my camera off for a minute because it was tripping. So what I'm gonna do, you guys, is I'm going to put on my scarf for a little bit, and then I'm probably for about 10 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna wrap this thing on up as far as this part of the video. So give me about 10 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, you guys. Let me take this scarf off because now I'm playing. So let me take this scarf off. Oh my gosh, y'all. Just excuse that. That didn't really mix well with the product. Child, listen. Anyway, that's not what we hear about. Pin my little ends of my twist back and my fro. This side is white. Okay. I guess the real Eco Styler gel said, honey, I'm going to show you that we pumping. So, I know y'all didn't come here for all the hairstyling and all of that. So, this is the side with the water. This is the side without the water. Yes, it is still wet because I have low porosity hair. It takes a minute for my hair to dry. So, this is what each side is giving right off the bat. And I think I pretty much already know how these going to turn out and come about. Now, definitely the Eco Styler gel that's not watered down, the original, is a lot more sleeker and it is giving me a lot more hold right off the bat. The one with the water is my edges are curling up, as you guys can see. My twist is nicely in place. So that is what it's looking like right now. So y'all put down in the comments which one y'all think is going to do the best. I think I already know, but we're going to go ahead and continue, you know, to test this out. Regular Eco Styler gel, watered down Eco Styler gel. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I gotta excuse me because it's late and I'm at this point I'm ready to like wind down. It is 11:48 p.m. So let's go ahead and get into it. So as you guys know, this is the side with the watered down version. So this is how it held up. So in my opinion, it held up pretty well. And then this is the original Eco Styler gel, no water added. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys the differences that I noticed. This side with the water added, it dried a lot quicker, you guys. Like it dried really fast. The original Eco Styler gel side is still wet even after all those hours. So I would say definitely having the extra water added made my hair dry a lot quicker, you guys. Like my hair is completely dry on this side. Also, you guys got to see that with the full strength Eco Styler gel that doesn't have the water, y'all see how my hair turned white. And this side didn't. So I think the watered down gel had a lot to do with, the water had a lot to do with my hair not reacting with the other product that I already had on my hair. Let's see, another difference that I noticed is that the Eco Styler gel side is super, super sleek. And the side with the water is kind of rising up. I'm not sure if it's picking up on camera, but hopefully it is. But honestly, you guys, I like them both and they both work. Of course, the original is definitely going to give the full hold because it's a lot, you know, it's going to give more hold. And I feel like also you can kind of see more texture in my hair as opposed to the water side. But I do honestly like them both. I like how this side didn't turn white or anything. I don't have any flakes. But I do like how when I applied the product to this side, like it didn't have any white residue from mixing the product. So the water definitely helped, you know, it not turn white when mixed with another product. But of course, I'm going to probably just stick with using, you know, the original. But it does work, you guys. It does work. It will hold your hair. Like, it definitely will hold your hair. I mean, of course, my hair is a little bit more curly on my edges on this side, but it works, you guys. So I don't have anything bad to really say about it. I would use them both, honestly. I mean, I would. Like, if I was down to the nitty gritty and I couldn't get to the store, listen, or the store was closed or something like that, and I needed to do my hair and I had somewhere to go, I would definitely mix this with some water and be on my way and be good. I definitely wonder how this will hold up though, like with a bun or something. So let me know in the comments if y'all would like to see me do it, use the watered down gel with a bun, and I can definitely do that. Or let me know if you guys want to see me do other gels and we can go ahead and get that popping. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.